Hello and welcome to Growth Learners YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn what is a pixel in Meta Ads. A pixel basically is the most fundamental requirement of running any campaigns on Facebook and Instagram, and hence it is very important to first set up your pixel before you start running any ad campaign using your Meta Ads Manager account. So let's first understand what is the requirement and why you should set up a pixel. If you can see on the slides here, there are two components when you're running any campaigns on Facebook and Instagram. One component is your Meta Ads Manager account using which you create your campaigns. And the second component is your website or app where you send your users to introduce them about your business and then eventually drive sales for your business. Correct? So if you see this visual here, you create campaigns on Meta Ads Manager and then these campaigns will be sending users to your website. For example, if you have created a campaign where you want to drive sales on your website, then once the campaign is live, your users will see your ad on Facebook and Instagram and they will click on your call to action button and land on your website. Now, for any ad campaign, it takes some time to optimize. For instance, if you have started a campaign today, right, and using that campaign, 100 people went on your website. So not all 100 people will buy your product on day one. Maybe only 1 or 2% might purchase your product, but your eventual goal is to drive 10 sales every day from this ad campaign. Now Facebook's algorithms need to learn the performance of the campaigns and eventually it optimizes over a period of time to improve its performance. So on day one, if 100 people landed on your website from your campaigns, but only one person purchased, eventually on day 7 or day 10 or maybe day 20, 10 people will make a purchase, right? But for Facebook to understand and learn the behavior of your users, it needs the right information so that it can optimize the campaign. And that's why it is very important to link your website or app with Meta Ads Manager account so that you can send information back to Meta about what is happening on your website from these campaigns. And this link is called the pixel, right? So pixel is basically a piece of code which you will create using your Meta Ads Manager account, and you will place this code on your website using which you will create a link between your website and Ads Manager account, which will give Facebook the information to optimize your ads. Now again, going back to that example, if on day 1 out of 100 only one person made a purchase, on day 2 maybe out of 100 two people made a purchase, then using Pixel, Facebook is getting this information that who is buying, who is not buying, what is the user behavior, and now their algorithm will start identifying and targeting more people who are similar to those who are making a purchase on your website, and hence eventually the performance of your ad campaign will improve because Meta is trying to identify the right audience for your website. And hence integrating a pixel is very, very critical for running campaigns successfully. Let's further understand this with a use case. So using your Meta Ads Manager account, you have created a campaign to drive online sales, right? And this campaign is sending traffic to your website. Now, once a pixel is created, which has developed a link between your website and Meta Ads Manager account, you can pass back information to Meta that, okay, these are the people who have made a purchase on the website. These are the people who have added products to cart but didn't make a purchase and did cart abandonment, right? So these are two use cases which I am giving you. So now because Meta is getting back this information, it will start optimizing the campaign for this kind of audience which are looking very serious audience, right? And identify more people who are making purchase on your website or even cart abandonment, because these users also are interested in buying the product, but maybe because of certain reason they didn't make a purchase, but still they have added products to their cart, right? So they are also very high intent users. So Meta will start identifying similar to these people and eventually your campaign performance will improve. So I hope you understood now why setting up a pixel is very, very critical for the success of any ad campaigns. So now that we understand the concept, let's go through Meta's documentation about Facebook Pixel. So if you see this, this is Meta's documentation on Pixel. What it says is the Facebook Pixel is a piece of code for your website that lets you measure, optimize and build audiences for your ad campaigns. You can think of this as an analytics tool that allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions that people take on your website. So now that you have seen the visuals that I showed you, I think you can very easily understand what exactly a Facebook pixel is, correct? Let's deep dive a little bit more. You can use Facebook pixel to create website custom audiences. So like I said, you can retarget your constituents, voters or supporters who have visited a specific page or taken a desired action on your organization's website. So like we saw, we can retarget people who have added products to cart but did a cart abandonment. So we can create a custom audience and retarget these users, maybe with an offer or some other messaging, so that they can complete their purchase. Similarly, you can reach people who are most likely to take an action. Use automatic bidding to reach people who are more likely to take an action you care about. For example, making a purchase from your virtual campaign shop, making a donation to your website, or signing up for a government service. So again, the point is it will start identifying people who are similar to those who have made a purchase on your website. Another important step is measure the results of your ads. To better understand the impact of your ads by measuring what happens when people see them. For example, you can understand whether people are taking the action that you want them to take. So let me show you this with an example. Let's go to my ads manager account. Now I have created this campaign and the objective of this campaign is to drive sales on my website. I can see that there are 92 cart additions on my website. Okay. Now this information I am getting only and only because my pixel has been integrated correctly between my Meta Ads account and my website. And this information is passing from my website to my ads account. Correct? So now I hope you understand very clearly why a pixel is important and what information it can send back to your ad account. If my pixel was not set up correctly, Meta won't get this information and it won't be able to optimize my campaign using this information. Because when I started this campaign on day 1, I got only 5 card additions. On day 2, I got 15 card additions. And day 3, it improved to 20, 30, and eventually 40 card additions in a day. Because Meta's algorithm is learning the behavior of users on my website and it is improving the campaign targeting to identify audience who are more likely to do this behavior on my website and make a purchase eventually. So I hope you found this video useful and now you are able to understand what is a Meta pixel, why it is very important to set it up correctly before starting your ad campaigns. If you found the video useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.